What's going on, you guys? It is CJ Brandon. We are back today with a brand new tech review for you guys. I got this product. Whew, this is a dope product, I ain't gonna lie to you. Just because it's different from a lot of companies, because everybody pretty much make them now. This right here is going to be a sports gimbal from XBOTGO. And when I tell you this gimbal right here gets everything done, it is absolutely amazing. Now, you may want to ask yourself like, oh, okay, DJI has the same type of gimbal because other companies got them too. I don't know who they are, but they got them. But, you know, they really don't have a lot of features in it. Now, this gimbal right here takes everything to the next level. And the reason why is because it's powered by AI. Let's be real, man. AI has taken over the year of 2024. Apple just released some information about the Apple AI, which is definitely dope. So let's go ahead and get deeper into this XBOTGO sports gimbal. Let's talk about some AI features it does have. Now, some of you guys may wonder, you say sports, you know. When I say sports, that means that this gimbal actually is going to be powered by AI once again. And what that means is that, let's say, for instance, you want to go to your kid's soccer game or basketball game, football game, and you want to record it, but you don't want to sit there with the phone all day like this. Guess what? Prop your phone onto this gimbal right here. All you really got to do is put like a little tripod right here, set it up, and then you're going to download this app called XBOTGO. There's going to be a live app that comes with the gimbal. It's 100% free, and that right there is going to allow you to actually record and actually use all these functionalities, you know, just to make the gimbal, you know, more successful, man. I will say that. Now, I've had, obviously, you know, enough time to go ahead and take it outside, use it for multiple, you know, reasons. I went to one of my little cousins, his flag football game, and I will say this gimbal right here definitely held up. Now, obviously, it's not like it's not a product that is 100% ready, in my personal opinion. The reason why I say is because I believe that this gimbal either died on me after it was fully charged, or either it just overheated. Whatever it did was beeping a lot, and then the phone just said, went from this to limp. So I was kind of confused on it, but you know, it's all cool. We did a quick recovery for it. Well, I ain't gonna lie to you, we ain't doing a recovery. Unfortunately, it didn't power. It powered back on, but then it powered right back off, did the same exact motion. So I was just like, you know, it is what it is. But not to scare anybody about it, I think that it was just super duper hot out there for me personally, or either I simply just didn't do something correctly. Now, anyway, this gimbal right here, once again, is powered by AI. I'm gonna keep emphasizing that it's powered by AI. So there are over 20 plus sports that this does cover. Just to name a few couple, well, you know, we got soccer, we got hockey, we got basketball, football, and golf. And like I said, there's a lot more, but I'd rather for you guys to go ahead and check them out down below in the description. That way you guys can personally go pick yourself up one of these XBOTGO sports gimbals. I'm trying to tell you, man, this right here is straight up phenomenal, man. It also has like a follow me mode in there as well. So of course, if you're a content creator out there that doesn't have somebody to help you out, that is a-okay. Buy yourself a gimbal just like this. It has that feature in it that's going to track you personally, or track whatever you're trying to do, and ball out, man. Just ball out, have a great time, man. That's all I can really say about the gimbal. I really like it. It is USB-C powered as well, which definitely makes it great. It's compatible. It's what's the word I'm really looking for? I'm gonna say just user friendly, man. But I guess the power is accessible because our iPhones have USB-C in it, so everybody got a USB-C charger around them. That's all good, man. Other than that, man, the battery life from here is up to 4 hours as well, so you do got enough time to make some content. I don't know anybody that's out here making content for 8 hours straight, like consecutively making that, you know, 8 hours content. Like, you kind of crazy, you feel me? But if you are, I'm gonna pray for you. No, just playing. Y'all all good, man. But anyway, you guys, that is all I got for you guys today on this XBOTGO. Like I said, once again, it is an AI sports gimbal as well. Got over 20 plus sports that you guys can track into it. It's not just tracking yourself or the players. It's tracking the whole entire field, whichever, you know, whatever you want to do pretty much. It is compatible as well with iPhones and Androids and a couple other devices. But like I said, make sure you guys go ahead and read the description down below. That way you can see exactly what you will be covered under. And until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.